Hey there, firework folks. Jerry the Meatball here, back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Red Rhino blasting pack assortment. I picked this guy up because just from the looks of it, you've got Roman candles, rockets, shells, and all kinds of aerials mixed in with a variety of little ground items. So I figured it would be worth a try. It wasn't a terrible price. I got it for just over 120 bucks, so I guess we'll see what we find here. So starting off, well, we have half of a brick of 50 pack firecrackers by Hog Wild, the rocket crackers. So you get, looks like 10 in a pack there. Not bad. Then you've got all kinds of ground blooms. We've got looks like 3 packs plus 1 of ground bloom flowers. Next we've got color pearl, which is basically a Roman candle cake. It's a 96 shot Roman candle cake. Next we've got Blown Out by Hog Wild and Texas Outlaw. This is a fountain. It's got some decent weight to the bottom of it, so it doesn't seem like it would have any issues tipping over. And I'm not sure if this would be one of those ones where it's just a little candle inside of a big tube, but it seems like it'd be a pretty decent little fountain. So next we've got this silver coin 200-gram cake. It's just a little cake which has either 6 or 7 shots in it, but yeah, no, it's a decent little 200-gram cake here by Red Rhino. I guess, well, it doesn't seem like it's labeled for performance or anything, so I'm guessing it would be just like silver effects. And we've got Red Robin, which is another one, 6 or 7 shots. I'm guessing similarly it's probably going to be mainly red effects. Next we've got the Twisted 200-gram cake, another 6 or 7 shot by Red Rhino. And this one does have a performance on the top, so if you guys want to see that, I'll try to get it where it's not in a glare. There you go. So yeah, it looks like a decent little cake there. So next we've got your 25 shot Happy Fireworks, just your typical color pearl kind of cake. Got a couple more fountains in here. The lightning rod fountain. We got 2 of them by Texas Outlaw. And then we've got a 100 shot Saturn missile battery, and this, right away picking this up, this has got quite a bit of heft to it. So it looks like a decent little battery. I don't know why it would be heavy, but I don't have to worry about this guy going anywhere. So next we've got 3 packs of the Red Rhino candles. These are 10-ball Roman candles. So you get 18 of these 10-shot Roman candles in this pack, which you don't find that typically in most assortments, so that's pretty good. Next we've got these Secret Mission rockets by Texas Outlaw. Looks like they're all labeled for effect. Another decent aerial item for, again, an assortment. You don't find this good of a variety of aerial in most assortments, so. Next we've got 5-shot exploding candles by Red Rhino. Looks like these are just Roman candles with report. So you get another 12 of those to add, and you got 30 Roman candles in total in this one assortment. And then finally we've got the Stack Deck series canister artillery shells. So your typical kind of festival ball shells with canisters. One thing I did notice when I was going through this earlier is it's got a fiberglass tube, which you typically don't find in little festival kits, but that was pretty neat. So overall, this is all you're getting in this assortment, which is plenty of stuff if you're just shooting off stuff on the 4th of July and you're looking for a good variety of things. I would recommend this assortment. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day.